In this video, I'll help answer the question, is Definity Financial stock a good buy? I'll touch on 4 things. Number 1, how does Definity make money? Number 2, what's the latest news on Definity? Number 3, what are the latest ratings in Tykr? And number 4, what do I plan on doing with this stock? And just so you know, if you want to see the ratings on Definity and other stocks in the market, you can join Tykr for free. All right, let's get started. How does Definity make money? Well, first off, Definity Financial, if you're not familiar with this name, they're actually based out of Canada. Their HQ is in Waterloo, which is just outside Toronto, and they're just your straightforward multi-product line insurance company. They have homeowners insurance, auto insurance, pet insurance, commercial property, commercial liability, commercial fleet, farm insurance, specialty insurance, and I think a few other product lines within. But very similar to a lot of the insurance companies you'd find here in the States. So really strong business model. Warren Buffett loves insurance companies. Berkshire Hathaway actually owns Geico. You have a situation when something is mandated. For example, in the States, homeowners insurance, last time I checked, I believe it's mandatory in all 50 states, and auto insurance is mandatory, I think, in close to all 50 states, maybe all 50 states by now. But anyway, when you have something that's mandatory and you can profit off that, and it's a benefit for the customer, that's a really great business model. And on top of it, insurance is a reoccurring revenue model because clients are typically paying monthly, quarterly, or annually. All right, next up, let's touch on the latest news on Definity. Well, good news here is they beat their estimate, their earnings estimate, by quite a bit. So the estimate was at 74 cents. That's actually in Canadian dollars, and they came in at $1.03. And the last point here is Definity acquired Travelers Insurance for $3.3 billion. So Travelers Insurance is a pretty large insurance company based here in the States. That's adding a whole nother revenue stream to their business. So really smart play there by Definity. All right, let's move on to the ratings in Tykr. I always say this, if you want to see the calculations behind the ratings, you can go to Tykr.com, go to education, then down to calculations. Those calculations are open source for personal use. All right, we're going to walk through what we call the 7. It's the 7 key steps to determine if a stock is a strong stock or a weak stock. We're not going to click on the button. That's kind of like the easy button. It'll save you a ton of time. We're going to walk through this manually and give you a little more context on how we arrive at the scores we're showing here. So first step on the list, that first point on the 7, is the summary. Stocks in Tykr are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. It's green, gray, or red, and only about 15% of stocks make it to on sale. So Definity is on sale. That's great. To get to on sale, you need a score in this hexagon here, a score 50 or higher. That's the overall financial strength of a stock, and you need a margin of safety of 50% or higher. So we're checking both boxes there. If it was just one above 50, then it would be watch, and if both are below 50, then it's overpriced. It's pretty simple. All right, in the middle, you want a 4M score of 80 or higher, and they're averaging at 83, which is outstanding. And I'll just give you a little context here. The 4M Confidence Booster, this is powered by AI. It's about a minute or 2 experience. You can kind of walk through, teach you a little bit more about the business and the competition. So here are the 4 M's of the 4M Confidence Booster. You have the math parts, which we just went over. You have the meaning, how the business makes money. You have the moat, how it compares to other businesses. And then you have the management, which is the track record of the CEO. Doing a 4M analysis manually could take you hours, if not days of research. We reduce it down to seconds. In fact, you don't even have to go through the 4M here. You can literally just log into Tykr, see your score, because we're collecting the averages from the community. All right, so far we are checking all the boxes. We are 4 for 4 on the 7. Let's scroll down. Next up, 5-year returns. We know that past performance does not guarantee future results, but we like stocks that do consistently beat the market. A nice round number to memorize would be 80%. The S&P 500 typically returns 80% over 5 years, and we can see here that Definity is at 161, doubling the market. That's great. All right, let's keep going. Financial tab. Number 1 most important line on the financial statements is the earnings per share, essentially the profits of the company, EPS, and we want to see 3 quarters in a row where it's increasing. In this case, we see a profitable company, but the profits are decreasing. Check this out. Looks like $1.02 down to 81 cents and down to 65 cents. So I don't love that. I want to see the profits increasing. Let's jump back to that share share price. So we are seeing it starting to take off a little bit here, but large institutions, if they see the EPS decreasing and at the same time moving on to step 7, which is the earnings calendar, if they see a miss on the earnings report, that can cause in most cases the share price to go down. However, if those numbers are increasing, that EPS is increasing and they beat their earnings estimate in most cases, not all cases, but most, that share price can take off. So we see here they had 2 misses in a row, but they had a really nice recent quarter where they beat it at 30%. So with these, we want to see 3 quarters in a row where we're seeing improvements. And in this case, we're not going to get points. So when I go to the 7 here, I think we're probably going to get, I bet, a 5 out of 7. 5 out of 7. There you go. And you can see what you achieved and what you did not achieve when you click on this. And of course, I'll show you this real quick. We've got an easy button. You can go to assets, then to stocks. You can make sure your column, the 7, is turned on, and then you can arrange the order, click apply. And in this case, we're just going to do a little experiment here. We'll go to the 7. We just want to see, hey, how many stocks are also 5 out of 7 in the market out of the 57,000 stocks in Tykr. Let's go 5 to 7. All right, about 1,000 stocks at 5 out of 7. Let's go 6 out of 7. We'll do this real quick. 263, and let's go to the last one here, which is 7 out of 7. We got only 32 stocks in the market make it to that level, which is really hard to get to. So what am I doing with this stock? Well, I'm adding this stock to my watch list. I think Definity is a really strong stock. I really like the fact that they acquired Travelers. I've been aware of Travelers for, gosh, over a decade, and they are a strong company. So I think that acquisition is a great play. I've got a lot of good stocks on my portfolio now, so I'm not going to buy any shares today, but I am adding it to my watch list. Again, I really like insurance companies, just like Warren Buffett, that reoccurring revenue and a mandatory product. That's a really good place to be. All right, I hope you like this video. If you want to see the ratings on Definity and other stocks in the market, you can join Tykr for free. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.